If you have belly fat, stop wasting time in the gym. You're making it harder than it needs to be. You try diets, you try workouts, but your belly stays the same. Because belly fat isn't stubborn, it's strategic, and you need the right trigger. That trigger is walking, done the right way. When you walk consistently, your body taps into stored fat, especially around your stomach. Not running, not killing yourself, just smart walking. Here are 5 walking hacks. Simple, but powerful. Hack 1. Walk before breakfast. Morning is powerful. In the morning, your insulin is low. Your body has no fresh fuel, so it burns stored energy. And stored energy means belly fat. Just 20 to 30 minutes. Comfortable pace. Consistency matters. Do this daily, and your waist shrinks. Without the gym. Hack number 2. Walk after meals. This one is powerful. After eating, blood sugar rises, and fat storage increases. But walking 10 minutes helps muscles absorb glucose. Instead of storing fat, less fat stored, especially around your belly. That's smart strategy. Hack number 3. Use your arms. Activate your core. If your arms are lazy, your core stays lazy. Burn fewer calories. Swing arms properly. Tighten abs lightly. Stand tall. You burn more. Without running, without gym, you don't need to flex hard. Just brace your abs slightly. Feel them working. This increases calorie burn. Without running, without destroying your knees. Hack number 4. Add incline. Gravity becomes your trainer. When you walk uphill, your heart rate rises. Fat burning increases. You activate glutes. You engage core. You burn more per step. Find a small hill or increase treadmill incline. Simple upgrade. Hack number 5. Track your steps. Consistency beats intensity. Aim for 8,000 to 10,000 steps. Not once, every day. You don't need 20,000. You don't need marathon training. You need discipline. Do this for 30 days. Watch your waistline shrink. Without extreme workouts, you feel lighter. You feel stronger. You feel in control. Walking lowers stress, improves insulin control, and targets belly fat. You don't need crazy workouts. You don't need supplements. You need consistency. No gym, no excuses. Just walk. Simple habits, massive results. Over time, you don't need perfect. You need daily effort. That's it. Your belly didn't grow overnight. It won't disappear overnight, but it will shrink. Walk smarter. Walk daily. Walk with purpose. Start today. Start simple. Start walking. No gym. Just walk. Transform your body.